5 rules for success in life. Embrace curiosity. I don't possess any unique abilities. My intense curiosity is my only driving force. Curiosity fuels our imagination and leads to discoveries. Value perseverance over failure. Someone who hasn't made mistakes has never attempted anything new. Don't let the fear of failure stop you from making important decisions. Education beyond school. Education is the residual knowledge that persists even after all the lessons learned in school have been forgotten. We remember only what we have learned by ourselves. Imagination over knowledge. Imagination holds greater significance than knowledge. Knowledge is confined to our current understanding, whereas imagination encompasses the whole world. Creativity in secrecy. The essence of creativity is in skillfully disguising your influences. Shield your creative spirit and make your ideas appear as unique. Giving over receiving. A man's true value is gauged by his contributions to the world, not by his personal achievements. Miracle in the mundane. Life can be lived in 2 ways, either as if miracles do not exist, or as if everything is a miracle. Remember, these rules are not just about achieving success, but also about leading a fulfilling and meaningful life.